Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to set 18.5 3D Fluffy widgets on any Galaxy device with a simple method. First, add widgets by going to Widget Settings. Set Light widget with medium opacity, then save. Do the same with the calendar widget. Take a screenshot of your home screen. Now open Gemini and select the image from Gallery. Describe the image and ask to convert these widgets into 3D Fluffy widgets. Save the generated image to your gallery. Before starting, remember you can only set these 3D Fluffy widgets on a single home screen. Delete all other home screens so only one remains. Go to the gallery and open the saved image. Use the AI option to clean each widget one by one. Save the image and set it as wallpaper only on the home screen. Go back to widget settings and remove the background from each widget, then save. Do the same for calendar and weather widgets. Now you have 3D Fluffy widgets on your Galaxy device. You can set many different types of widgets this way. This works on any Galaxy device, no matter N series, S series, or F series. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.